Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with a logged-in Facebook account. Make sure you can view the person's profile. Once on their page, click About and then Contact and Basic Info. This is where public email often appears. If you can't see it, check whether you are friends or if their privacy limits block details. Make a quick friend request or follow to gain access. At this point, don't leave the profile. Scan visible sections like work and education for business contacts or linked accounts that might include an email address. Once done with About, dig deeper by searching the person's posts and photos. People often post email addresses in captions or shared documents. Make sure to inspect work and education entries. Company pages sometimes list contact emails. Use Facebook search to filter posts from that person and scan comments or attachments. If they operate a page, check page info and page roles. Business emails are often public. Also, look at mutual friends' posts or messages you share. Sometimes contacts are mentioned there and reveal the Gmail address. You've located a candidate email or come up empty. Now act. If you have an address, draft a concise, polite email introducing yourself and why you need contact. Verify the address with a short confirmation message before sending anything sensitive. If the email is hidden, send a respectful messenger request asking for their preferred contact. Mention mutual connections if appropriate. Troubleshooting tip: if no email appears, check their Facebook data export or ask a mutual friend to confirm. Respect privacy and stop if they decline to share.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.